Hello world, today we are going to visit a Volcanoes National Park. The national park which is located in north part of Rwanda in East Africa. Come and show you something. Storytelling about Volcanoes National Park and activities attractions. Story about the Volcanoes National Park. This Volcanoes National Park was founded in 1925, making it Africa's oldest national park on the whole continent. Can you imagine that? Volcanoes National Park in Rwanda is very popular amongst tourists due to its habituated mountain gorillas, which are the main attraction in the park and covers 160 square kilometers of the park. As you see on the video, there's a famous comedian actor on the movie, Kevin Hart, and their families. They come to visit this beautiful creature in their forest. What are you waiting for? Let's talk about mountain gorillas. These are the 10 facts about mountain gorillas I'm going to tell you now. Around 1,063 exist in the world. They live in two isolated groups. We share around 98% of our DNA with gorillas. Can you imagine that? They are one of the biggest, most powerful living primates. They can eat all day long. They cozy up at night. They have 16 different types of coal. They live in family groups. In the wild, gorillas can live to over 40 years old. They are under free. About golden market trekking, another activities you can do is a golden monkeys to see this beautiful creature in the Smora, and Humbra monkeys is a fun and adventurous way to explore Volcanoes National Park in Rwanda. The forest is also home of the mountain gorillas in Rwanda. It's not only that. Let's talk about the 5 volcanoes chain. Mountain Muhabura, it's stained at an altitude of 4,012.7 meters above sea level. Mountain Sabinyo is another extinct volcano in Rwanda which stands in high altitude of 3,669 meters above sea level. Let's jump into the mountain Kamsembe, the famous and the highest one. Hike to the highest peak volcano mountain in Rwanda. It stands at an altitude of 4,507 meters above sea level. Mountain Bisaki is the most famous and popular known volcano among the 5 volcano mountains in Rwanda, and it stands at an altitude of 3,711 meters above sea level, and it has unique attractive scenery of Crater Lake at its summit, which is also entirely located in Rwanda. Mountain Gahinga is the mountain which stands at an altitude of 3,473 meters high above sea level. This is what I can recommend you. You can combine your hiking adventure for the 5 volcano mountains in Rwanda with gorilla trekking, once-in-a-lifetime experience, or golden mark encounter, which are also in Volcanoes National Park. Reach out to us for highly customized Rwanda adventure safari package that will give you a magical moment with unforgettable experience. Digital Expedition Safaris is your trusted and reliable ground tour operator based in Rwanda. We offer unique adventures, safari, and tailored travel experiences across Rwanda and East Africa, including primate trekking, mountain gorilla expeditions, cultural diversity, immersion events, hiking, and wildlife safaris. We are specializing in organizing unforgettable memories for your travel needs.